Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this QINSEN top. So it's a navy blue darkish color. I've worn this to school before. I actually bought it. It matches one of the sets I own from QINSEN with the long sleeve and flared sweatpants. So it's like the perfect top that I could also pair with the sweatpants. I've also bought it in blue, and the thing that I really like about these tops is two things. One is the material. The material is like, I just love this material. Like, it's so stretchy, it's so soft. Everything about it I just love. It's so soft on my skin. It doesn't feel tight, but it looks tight, but it doesn't feel tight. It's just so soft. I really like the way they make these tops. And the second thing is definitely the square tops. I mentioned this in another video I made. I really like how the top is like a square rather than the angle going up. You can also adjust the straps, and like you saw, there's different colors you can choose from. There's like yellow, pink, blue. So yeah, I got them in both of these colors because I bought other stuff from QINSEN in different colors. So if you're looking for a really cute tank top that's also super stylish, it could be super basic, whatever you want, and it's super breathable and nice on the skin, then I would definitely recommend trying it.